there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Elphaba from Wicked, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the wavy line of her hat. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this up, bringing this down, and then through on the side. Moving underneath this from this corner, we're going to replicate that. So from that point we're going to curve this up, back down, following this through, connecting that at a point on the right hand side as well. Now let's close off the top of the hat here. So we're going to curve this around and down on the very side there. Let's focus on the middle. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal. We're going to come across, lining that up at the same height, bringing this line down on a diagonal again. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line across. Let's step back in on the left hand side, curving this through. And then coming up on a diagonal on the right hand side, curving that down. Let's close that off with another curved line from left to right. Moving up, stepping in again, curving that out. Stepping over on a diagonal, curving that through, ending that again on a diagonal. And then again, just closing this off with a curved line. Now for the point on the top, let's arch this line up. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and down on the right. It's going to draw on the hair. So coming up on this line here, we're going to curve this line out, down and through for the left-hand side of the hair. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back around and in. Right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line up and through. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line out. And then again from that point, curving this line back up. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line in, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, bringing that around and through. Let's close off the bottom of the face. So stepping over, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the bottom of that head. And then for the ears, we're just going to draw in a half circle on both sides. We're going to add in a small detail in the ear, so we're just going to curve this line across again. And now let's come up in the middle of the face. Right in the center, we're going to arch this line up on a slight diagonal for the nose. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a small corner bracket on the right. And then we're going to curve this line all the way through and across towards the left. The top of the eye, we're going to arch this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left. And now underneath on the bottom inside corner, curving this back around and through. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line out on the side. And then from here, we're going to bring this line in on a diagonal. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this line around and down. And now let's just color in this part black. Let's come in and draw in the pupil. So from the very top here, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. We'll move across, doing the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now on the top of our eye, let's draw in another oval. And then on the very top again, let's draw in a nice big circle. Now let's color in that pupil black. Let's come up and draw in the eyebrow. So from that point here, we're going to curve this around, down, and up. And then again, curving this down, up, and over, connecting that at a point on the side. Let's come underneath. We're going to draw in a circle directly in the middle of the chin here. On the top, let's curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in on the bottom. curve this line out on both sides, tucking that in towards the cheek. And now let's come down for the dress. On both sides, we're going to curve this line out, ending those at the same height. From that point, we're going to curve this, tucking this up. We're going to do the exact same thing, joining that in the middle, in the center. Let's move up. We're going to follow that pattern. So curving that through, ending that at that point. Again, from here, bringing this down and back up and in towards the center. Now let's close that off with a curved line. Let's draw on the arm on the right-hand side. So we're going to curve this line out, and then we're going to curve this back around and in towards the side. Let's draw on that thumb. We're going to arch this line over for the first finger here, curving that around and through, stepping across again. Let's replicate that. And then moving over, tucking that in towards the wrist. Let's draw on that left arm. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. On the top here, let's curve this line down. For the thumb, arching this around, back in. Let's close off that first finger here. So we're going to curve this around and down. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that. And then let's come down and close off that pinky. Let's draw on the broomstick she's holding. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to step over, replicating that on the left, ending that at the same distance there. Now stepping through, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across on both sides. And then we're going to arch this line around and up towards the top, ending that on a slight diagonal. Let's close that off with a diagonal line now. We're going to continue to tuck this through underneath. So a diagonal line coming across. Let's step over, replicating that. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the broom part. So we're going to curve this line down on the left-hand side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're going to tuck this underneath the dress. Let's add in some small detailed lines. So we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on the left-hand side here. We'll add in a longer one on the right. Let's step over, drawing in another diagonal line. And then coming through, let's add one more. Let's draw on the braids. On the top here underneath the ear, we're going to curve this out, around, and down towards that arm. And then we're just going to tuck this line through towards the chin. Let's step over again, curving this around and down towards that hand. Let's come underneath, closing off the hand here. Now from here, coming underneath, we're going to curve this line across. And then continuing the hair coming out, curving this around and in. And then one more time, tucking this out and back through towards that broom. Let's draw on the shoes. So coming in, we're going to curve this line around and down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the inside, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal again, ending this at the same height as the line on the outside. And then we're going to close this off with another curved line on the very bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Elphaba from Wicked. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.